Okay, guys, going to give you a room tour. You ready? So, here is the room I am done with. I showed you guys how I did the dresser painting and how I painted the nightstands. And this is actually my brother's room. He just arrived, and I am going to give you the tour. I don't know about lighting, how it's going to be, but I'll show you everything, what I did in this room. So this is his bed. The room has a weird layout, but it looks really beautiful. I will include the, on blog post, it definitely has the previous picture, like before pictures were really not less inviting room it was. So here is his bed, and this is the industrial table. My husband made it for me. And here, let me show you. Such a beautiful combination of gray and like sky blue and navy blue. Plus, I throw a yellow in there. Here, those are the curtains, and they're kind of fake curtains. I mean, we don't like curtains, so it's just I put them with tack, the office tags, those little. So, but I really like it how they gave a splash of a color in the whole room. And here is the nightstand. You guys have seen in the previous video how I painted them. I bought the pair for 90 bucks from thrift store, and I love French, and my brother does too. And then I also showed you guys how to Mod Podge this top, and here's a little arrangement from, some of them are from Goodwill, some of them are from garage sale, some are probably some stores, I don't know. So the big purchase, bed frame, not the frame, I mean headboard, I'm really happy because we ordered it from Amazon, and I was scared that what if the color does not match with this Behar timeless blue I used for these nightstands. But I'm so pleased that it was no color variation. Whatever you see, that's what you get. And it's just has such a beautiful texture, like really easy to clean fabric. I'm overall real happy with that. We paid 100, but price always varies, so maybe some less, sometimes a little more, but overall it's such a good purchase. And lightweight, if you are a renter or you move a lot, this is the headboard to go with. We have learned that while we moved last year. Man, all those heavy furniture, I had to donate it, sell it, or get rid of it, whatever. So this bedding I bought from Pakistan a few years ago. This pillow I made for out of the extra curtain, and this is from Michael. So, and this throw, one of my blogger friends suggested, oh, make a throw. So I'm like, okay. So I made this throw out of the curtain. And here is the final product. So you can see from, it's my phone, I'm making the video, so I don't know if I'm showing you the whole thing or not. And since my brother just came, if I go outside, you're gonna hear all noise and talking and blah blah blah. But here is the whole room. I absolutely like it. And I'll show you the behind the scene too. This nightstand and that little swan is my most favorite thing in the room. See, isn't that cute? Maybe I put more girly touch into the room. Yay. That's his Google Home or whatever it's called. Such a handy product to have. I will include the link for everything I'm showing you here. Curtains are very it's a beautiful texture and just very simple. And here I did them with thumbtack small. And that is a little frame. My dad passed away, but that's my dad's writing. I miss him. It's very hard. And here is the side view I gave you guys. Can you see that? Honestly, that room does not look like the same room it was before. The paint is Sherman-Williams, and it's just like changed the look of the room so nicely. It's just amazing how little things could totally change the look. And I love the bedding. The white bedding is from Amazon, and we have used that before. And you know, I washed it. We have used it for ourselves, and it's really good. Hey, I'm trying to talk slow because when I talk fast, because of my accent, I really speak fast and sometimes not understandable. But I hope you understand what I'm saying, right? And otherwise, just leave me a comment below if anything you don't. I'm like gosh, what's going on with me? I can't even talk. So here is his dresser area, the weird room. I'm gonna show you. Let me turn the light toward this. Don't know why the light is not that. So here is his dresser, and the dresser I bought for $35 from thrift store, and I just painted it. And I have a blog post about how I did it with the chalk paint. Honestly, that is such a good paint. I didn't sand or do anything with that. Same with the lamp. Without sanding, I just painted. It was pretty easy to do it without sanding. And that is a beautiful mirror right here. I love how his dresser is. Like, he didn't want me to put a lot of flowers, etc. So I kind of moved everything. Maybe he will make it more masculine room. But right now I designed it, so I put everything I wanted to. That's his laundry hamper. And here we built a little office nook for him. Here, I have to carry everywhere this light. So that is the office nook for him. You guys can see. My husband built this table for him. I got the computer, and here is his little flower arrangement. I know he's gonna get rid of them, but well, I made it. And this, my little boy made a present for him since he just came in. One of my patients gave me, and I gave it to my little boy, and he's like, oh, I'm gonna give it to Mamu. Mamu mean uncle. So there's the Coca-Cola sign. He likes those kind of stuff, like more farmhousey thingies. I used an old crate for his footrest. So I can show you from far. Here is his office nook. You can see. This is the light I'm using, guys. Not really that great. Sometimes. Maybe I don't know how to use it yet. So here, and my husband did shiplapping, and it was pretty cheap. Not cheap. Okay, let's say inexpensive. Pretty inexpensive project. Was a labor intensive, yes, a bit, but you know, honestly, it added so much visual height into the room. This room was like such a weird room in the whole house. That's the first room we actually finished it too. And that is behind the scene. Like, this is my light and the door. I so hope that you guys like the room and everything, and give me a thumbs up, or any video you want me to show you, let me know. Gradually, since these videos are still new, and gradually I will get better at them. Right now I just use my phone to make this video, but the whole point is to show you that we can live on a budget, any one of us, and still afford a luxury home, right? I don't know, I always had a beautiful room or lived in a nice house, so when I came here it was kind of hard, but we worked it around and it's just beautiful. I love, who doesn't, right? I like who do not, but the thing is that just go with your budget. Okay, I'm very big on it. I wasn't until I got married and had children. Now I have 3 of them, and I like to stay within my budget, and I love to have a financial freedom with awesome credit score while to get rid of all he was into. So, well, have a great day, guys. We'll talk later, and we'll